Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Matt Jensen from Tapestry of Africa Tours and Safaris. I hope you've enjoyed the videos on our YouTube channel where I've taken you on tours of the major reserves, lodges, and wildlife areas of Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. We'll be bringing you to Zimbabwe, Botswana, and South Africa soon. But we hope that you've enjoyed the beautiful landscapes, the beautiful wildlife, and some of the lodges and camps that we have been able to tour and bring to you to help you with your safari planning. Today, we're going to talk all about mid-range level of lodges and accommodations. As a quick review, there's normally 4 tiers or categories of camps and lodges when you come to Africa on your safari. You could check out my other episodes of Luxury Plus, Top of the Line, Luxury, extremely high-end, and now we're going to talk about mid-level. And one thing I want to say early on is that many people think that they are sacrificing quality for cost when they choose mid-level accommodations, but I'm here to tell you there are some amazing mid-level lodges and camps that are extremely nice, extremely comfortable, beautiful, and exquisite when it comes to their amenities, the decor, the surroundings. So you don't necessarily need to break the bank by going luxury or luxury plus if your budget prohibits it. There are some wonderful opportunities with mid-level lodges and camps so that you can still have an incredible experience and still come back in the evenings to some bit of comfort and, dare I even say, luxury, even when you choose a mid-level lodge or camp. Some of the basic characteristics of mid-level lodges and camps are: you get spacious, beautiful rooms with ensuite bathrooms, lots of hot water, and all the modern amenities that you want in your safari lodge when you're on a vacation in Africa. Restaurants, all-inclusive meals usually come along with these, and they're high-end when it comes to the cuisine that they offer. Most of the time in mid-level, they're offered by way of buffet, so that if you have a picky palate or you have a little bit more desire to try many different options when it comes to African meals, they will have a buffet available to you. Most mid-level lodges and accommodations will come with a swimming pool for an opportunity to take a quick dip, but not all of them have that swimming pool, but the level of comfort, decor, and quality will be the same. The beautiful part, or the most exciting part about mid-level lodges and camps are, as I said before, you can still have some degree of comfort and quality and luxury without breaking the bank. Some of the common families of lodges and camps that fall within mid-level are the Sopa lodges in Kenya and Tanzania. I've been very impressed every time I stay at a Sopa lodge at their level of service, the level of quality in the rooms and the amenities and the decor. I don't feel like I'm missing out at all when it comes to beauty and luxury. So I hope that you'll explore mid-level lodges and camps because you might be surprised. It might be a little bit more affordable than you think.